Okay guys, we're going to the beach. Carter, you ready? I reorganized the tackle. Good to go. So got small poles, medium poles, big poles. Let's do this. Let's do this. Hoping not to catch any sharks today. You never know, we got an assortment of bait, greenbacks, big pinfish, and big maharas. Stay tuned. You guys,
this is Heidi over here.
Right, let me show you how we rig these over here. With a swivel and then 30-pound fluorocarbon.
And he's got a rock holding it down.
We have giant maharas. We're gonna hook it right big head maharas. We have big right in the back of the neck.
All right. Get up there so I can show off your shirt.
So where the bait, see I caught the bait close to the...
Awesome little shirt. So nice this is very nice place to be.
30 pounds, we got a little...
Oh, it came in the mail, that's a $300.
I might do something a little different.
Cool, okay. He is just off the Great Barrier Reef when he was 4 years old. Whoa, we got a hit, we got a hit. Let me turn this on. We got it, Carter, no, we got it. We got a fish. Don't fall this time. What's running today? See it yet? She's a pro. The tip-up. Here it comes, Corbin. Here it comes.
Red fish.
A redfish.
Nice, beautiful red fish.
He's gonna let it go. Look at Carter.
Hey, right here.
Look at the fishy. Show Carter.
Get the lighting.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Okay, we got him.
We got him! A little blood, but he'll be okay.
Follow me.
He'll be okay. There he goes. Oh, wait.
There he goes.
Yes, he did. He went.
Got him.
Yay!
First redfish in a long time.
Go back. Start breathing.
Keep him down there. I want to keep him away from this stuff. Nice fish, Mom. Giant ladyfish. Nice fish. It's an absolute giant ladyfish. Nice fish.
I got it! Yay!
It's a good size.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Good. Here we go. Here we go. They'll be all right.
They're fighters.
All these fish are on here with me.
You like that?
Record her. Record her.
I know. Not too big. Here. Aww. No. Get another one. I'm you for the bigger one. We both got fishies.
Okay, there we go. Spanish mackerel. Way.
Oh, there it is! Look
Didn't swallow it this time. Hook comes right out. There he is. Jack the ball.
back in the water. Gonna come in. Go to a little baby duck. Look, she caught hers too. I caught mine too. Yeah. He got it. He got the hook out. Watch. She's gonna save the life.